Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure you're signed in with your Apple ID under Settings, Messages, Send, and Receive. Once done, verify Wi-Fi or cellular data is active and the device date and time are correct, because iMessage activation uses Apple servers. Now enable the iMessage toggle and wait. Activation can take a few minutes. If prompted, choose the phone number and email addresses to send and receive from. This links your identity to iMessage, so texts return as blue bubbles. Once iMessage is enabled, you need to confirm which address acts as your primary sender. Go to Send and Receive and pick the phone number and email you want. If messages still send green, make sure Send as SMS is set appropriately and that you're not signed into multiple Apple ID causing conflicts. Now restart the iPhone to refresh registration. If activation fails repeatedly, update iOS. Software updates often fix server or certificate issues that block iMessage reactivation. You're almost done. Send a message to a known iMessage user and confirm blue bubbles appear. If messages remain green, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, Messages, then restart the phone and sign back in to force re-registration. Also toggle airplane mode on then off to refresh network settings. If activation errors continue after trying these steps and updating iOS, contact Apple support for an account or server-side issue. One troubleshooting tip: verify SMS activation can succeed because Apple sometimes sends an SMS for verification.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.